Today, I will show you how to set up Stripe email receipts. Start by logging in to dashboard.stripe.com on your preferred browser, and once you're on the main dashboard, go to the menu on the left-hand side and click on Settings. This will open your Account Settings page where you can manage your business preferences. Scroll down to the Payments and Payouts section and click on Email Receipts. This is where you'll enable and customize the receipts Stripe automatically sends to your customers after payments. Once you're in the Email Receipts section, you'll see two main options, one for sending receipts for successful payments, and another for sending receipts for refunds. Turn on both toggles to make sure your customers receive an email each time a payment goes through or a refund is issued. This not only keeps transactions transparent, but also builds trust with your customers. Next, look for the section where you can add your business details. Make sure your business name, logo, and support email are filled in correctly. You can upload your logo under Branding Settings in your dashboard. The logo and colors you set there will automatically appear on your email receipts, giving them a professional and branded look. If you want to test it, go back to your Payments tab and make a small test transaction in test mode. Once it's processed, Stripe will send a sample email receipt to your test customer email address. This helps you confirm that everything looks good before enabling it for real payments. After confirming the design and information, go back to the Email Receipts page and ensure the toggles for both payment and refund receipts are on. From now on, every successful or refunded payment will automatically trigger an email to your customer with all the details, amount, date, and your business name. That's it. You've now successfully set up Stripe email receipts. This simple setup not only automates your communication with customers, but also gives your business a professional touch every time someone makes a payment. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.